Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are back with one more interesting video in which we are going to see the interesting example of completion model. If you haven't tried the completion model yet, please watch our last video. I'll mention the link in the description as well as in the I button. So let's go and see what are those examples. The two examples that we are going to see out of that, first is the language conversion and other one is the to generate the emojis from the given words or the sentences. So let's explore both the examples one by one. For that, we'll have to generate the API key first, and then we have to consume that API key to get the responses from the OpenAI. So to generate the API key, I already have explained in the last video. So please refer that video to generate the API. And once the API has been generated, we have to use this body. So how we can use this code? Okay, we already have the code in the curl. So let's copy it and go to UIPath. Here we have to take the activity HTTP request. So let's HTTP. All right, this one we will use. Let's click OK and click import. Here we'll paste that body and let's click on validate and import. All right, from here we will remove this one and also this one. That is okay. Now press OK. Now let's go to this is not required, this is as well, this is as well, and here we'll go to the headers, and in the headers we will provide the API key. So we have created the variable for API key, we'll use that one. All right, press OK. Now the response content will be response content, and for response status we'll have another variable as response code. Let's press OK and increase the timeout. Okay, timeout is enough, let it be 1 minute. All right, now we have to update the body as well. So let's copy this body, we'll go here and we have to take J object. So if you are unable to find the J object, what you have to do is you have to go to the imports, and in the import you have to search for newtonsoft .json.link you, this third one, and after that you will get that J object. Let's go here, dot from object, here dot to string, and inside this let's paste whatever we copied. All right, key dot control A control H will replace this with equals to. Let's replace it, and let's give the token as 100, and we have to convert something. So let it be, let's say convert this to, we'll convert it to Arabic, and second let's convert it to Spanish. All right, slash n. Okay, done. It is still showing some error. Let's see what the error is. Key is not declared. Okay, so new with key. All right, let's press OK. Here we have to pass that JSON object, what we the response that we will get. So for that, let's take one variable, we'll name it as result. Let's open the editor. Okay, gobject dot parse response content, and the response will get under choices, and in the choices there are many array could be there. So out of that we want 0, and from 0th we want the text converted to string. Done. I think it is choices, this one. So let's go and paste it over here. All right, now let's say log message, log will take, and let's paste it over here, result. This is done. Now let's debug the code and see the result. Execution has been done. Now let's go to the output, and you can see here this text. Okay, so let's copy this much and open the Chrome. Here we have to convert Arabic to English. So let's paste it. This is a test. Okay, in the body, so you can see here whatever we have given, it has converted it into Arabic. And now let's copy the Spanish text, this one. Go to this one, search for Spanish and paste it. You can see same result it has given. So this is how we can convert any English text into the any other language. And now let's see our second example, which is to create the emojis. So this is very interesting. Let's, all the things would be same, only we have to change the prompt. So the prompt will be, we'll say convert this into emojis. So let's say robot, and what should we give else? This one, and second let's give any movie name, Batman. Now let's press OK. Let's debug it. Okay, the execution has been done. Now let's see the output. All right, you can see it has converted this first one robot into this emoji, and second one into this bat. There are much more things that we can do the experiment with the completion model. We'll come up with some more interesting example in our upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button below, and if you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic, please leave your comment in the comment box. I'll do my best to answer those questions. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.